welcome to snack time. Choo-choo snack! Today we're making bagel tunnel on 31:24. Be strong and courageous, all you who put your hope in the Lord.
Hey guys, welcome to Choo Choo Snacks. Alright, so our scripture for today was Psalm 31:24. Be strong and courageous, all you who put your hope in the Lord. So our lesson for today is Jesus' power gives us hope. You guys gonna help me make our snack today?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, what's the most important thing first before we get started?
Wash your hands!
Yes, let's go wash our hands. We'll be right back. All right, our hands are washed. Did you guys wash your hands? All right, let's see what we got in our bucket for our snack today. Now remember, when we're cutting our bagels, we need to get our moms to help us, okay?
Can I cut mine by myself?
You can cut yours by yourself.
I can.
All right. So, I have a really sharp knife for that. All right. So today we're talking about Jesus' power gives us hope.
Jesus' power gives us hope.
Jesus' power gives us hope. What are some words that come to mind when you think of a tunnel?
Dark. Scary.
Tunnels can be dark and scary. So those train conductors, they probably get a little nervous when they go in a tunnel. What do y'all think? You think they get excited about being in a dark tunnel?
I do.
You do? Why do you get excited about that?
Because it's dark and it's quiet and it's fun to walk around and explore.
How would you feel if the tunnel did not have an opening at the other end?
I don't know.
You think you'd be a little scared?
No.
Yeah. I'd be a little scared. What if the tunnel did not have an opening at the end? What if it was just like a cave and you went in it and could never come back out?
You got stuck.
Yeah.
That would be scary.
That might be a little scary. Okay, so we're gonna make a tunnel. We're gonna take our bagel and cut it in half. There, we have a tunnel. Let's see if we can see through it. Can you see through the other side?
No. Oh yeah, I can.
Well, have you ever heard someone say there's a light at the end of the tunnel? When you go in a tunnel, you're looking for the light at the end of the tunnel. That's what Jesus is for us. So we have a lot of times in our lives that can be a little scary. Can you think of a time that you've been scared?
When I had to have my teeth pulled out.
Yeah, Caleb had to have some dental work, and so they put him to sleep and they had to pull his teeth out. That was a little scary, right?
And they had to do me when I was awake.
Oh, yeah, Gideon got a little scared the last time he went to the dentist. You're so good. But the good news is there's a light at the end of the tunnel, and that's Jesus. So even when we go through scary times, if we have Jesus in our lives, He is our hope. He is our light at the end of the tunnel. Jesus is our hope, and Jesus' power gives us
Light.
hope. Should we eat them?
Let's eat them,
Ready
baby.
to eat them?